Good morning all. This is the last session on Module 4, that is about input-output devices. Today we will learn about the last topic on output devices, that are about control devices. Computers can be used to control simple devices such as lights, buzzers, robotic arms and motors using control output devices. These are controlled by turning them on or off according to a set of instructions. So these are done with the help of software, and this can be done with the help of output devices. There are lights, buzzers, robotic arms and motors. Lights can also be seen as lighting control devices. The term lighting control system refers to an intelligent network system of devices related to lighting control. So it involves lights and relays, sensors, photocells, light control switches or touch screens, and signals from other building systems such as fire alarm. So these are all part of the lighting control system. Adjustment of the system occurs both at device locations and at central computer locations via software programs or other interface devices, so that we can operate this system at the device locations, or we can operate as a central remote manner, so that we can operate these easily using centralized control mechanisms. These systems are widely used on both indoor and outdoor lighting of commercial, industrial and residential spaces. These systems serve to provide the right amount of light where and when it is needed. These are used with relays and control systems in signaling, automatic lighting and burglar and fire alarms. So these are used nowadays with the traffic light signals, and we can use this as burglar or fire alarms. Another major benefit of lighting control systems is reduced energy consumption. We can reduce the amount of energy consumed by using this type of systems. Longer lamp life is also gained when dimming and switching of lights when not in use. There are several lights like this are available on market, and these are used as part of IoT systems, that are Internet of Things, and we can control it remotely, or we can use this as a centralized mechanism. So these are some of the modern type of output devices. Next one is about buzzers. It is also known as beepers. It is an audio signaling device which may be mechanical, electromechanical or piezoelectric. It changes the current directly into a simple sound. Since it uses low current, it can be powered directly from a computer. There is no need of relay or switches in between. We can use directly from a computer. Typical uses of buzzers and beepers include alarm devices, timers, and confirmation of user input such as mouse click or keystroke, as we are using it along with the quiz competitions and all. Next one is robotic arms. This is also one of the very recently used output device. It's a type of mechanical arm, usually programmable, with similar functions of a human arm. So this can be part of a robot or it can be a standalone one. The links of such a manipulator are connected by joints, allowing either rotational motion or linear displacement. Uh, Both are possible. The links of the manipulator can be considered to form a kinematic chain. The terminus of the kinematic chain of the manipulator is called the end effector and it is analogous to a human hand. So this is the mechanism behind a robotic arm and it acts as a human arm. These are mainly used in various applications. These are used to assist the mentally disabled or the persons who are sick and many other purposes we are using this type of robotic arms nowadays. Next one is motors. These are not very heavy or large amount of motors. These are small motors that are used along with the computers that can be used as output devices. These are not usually powered directly from a computer as they use too much current. So we are not directly connect with the computer. It can be used as a separate device. They are usually controlled through a relay, which is an electronic switch. In a relay, a small current controls an electromagnetic switch which can turn on or off the much larger current which powers the motor. So, with the help of relays, we can use the motors with the computers. Examples include electronic doors and windows, cooling fans, etc. Here, in this kind of applications, we are using motors. These are also used in the automobile industry to move robot arms that spray body shells or assemble them. And it can also be used in other industries and in electronics manufacturing to assemble delicate electronic components on a printed circuit board that is difficult for a human hand. So it can be done with the help of robot arms and this can be work with the help of motors. So these are the various control devices used as output devices of computers. Thank you very much. Now we have completed our fourth module and we will continue with the fifth module. It will take only 3 to 4 sessions and after that we will come to first and second modules and I put only one module for your particular examination, so study well and prepare according to the questions I have given. Thank you very much.